Body. This time na kuda isitaki everybody. Paniki me the love. Then it felt kind of lovely. Then it felt kind of funny. That thing is gonna get now. I gotta give you everything you want. Baby, baby, one time. Baby, can you give me two time? Yeah. Baby, baby, one time. Baby, can you give me two time? Yeah.
All right. Nana, what's up? So from the weekly time frame, I think we took out the both previous weekend high and low. So those are not liquidity levels anymore. The only liquidity level I'm left with is the all-time high. I want to see what price is going to do like when it comes to the all-time highs right here. ATH. So that's the all-time highs. We have daily. Daily, I think price took out the high and closed inside. So that signals that probably today we should sell. I'm not sure if we're going to do that, but you will see. I think the government, US government, has been on partial lockdown. I mean shutdown, partial shutdown. So I think I don't think the news even was there today. I'm not sure. Today is on Wednesday. Yes, I think the news was there at 4:15, and we also have some news at 10. So the price took out the previous day high and closed inside the body. So it means today we should sell. So if you have to sell, the power of 3, according to power of 3, is probably selling from the week. You can see price got to the lower quadrant and it's been selling. Maybe as we wait for the 9:30 delivery, you see the lower quadrant and price has been attempting to sell. So I think I can mark 0.5. I don't know if it's gonna sell. The bus is not very clear, but going by the bus, probably we should sell. CE week, and then so drop to 4 hours time frame. I think yesterday's analysis played out very nicely, and also the price came up to the most discounted fair value gap and got the buy move. So there's something else here. We have these last sell candles before the price went high, sweeping buy sell liquidity. The price actually came and generated liquidity inside this breaker. So this is a breaker. It's a 84 breaker, and this breaker had got liquidity inside. That is why you can see this is buy sell liquidity. BSL right there. So price takes out the buy sell liquidity and sweeps. Takes out the liquidity and attempts to sell. So Nana, can you hear me? Can you hear me? Maybe you can confirm. So this buy sell liquidity price takes out the high and closes below. Took out the buy sell liquidity and we should sell. So going to, I'm not going to check 1 hour time. Yes, 1 hour time frame. I think we have some unfilled fair value gaps to this sell side. So I think I have this unfilled fair value gap, which can be a target. So maybe at 9:30 we can have distribution to the sell side, or the price can just go and react from a 15-minute key level. So waiting for the price action to play out, we have a 50 minutes order block right here and also a 50 minutes fair value gap. So let's see what price is going to do at 9:30. So M15 fair value gap. So let's wait and see what price will do. That is it. I think I'm attempting to. I'm waiting for price to come and fill this H1 fair unfilled fair value gap on the sell side. Yeah, that is my target. So, and going by that, 9:30 should come and get inside this M15 or just deliver to the sell side. That is what I can see right there. So you have Samuel Ikongu. Nice, thank you. So I think it's been a while since we did these live streams. Yesterday I did a live stream, and today and maybe tomorrow and the next day, and then I possibly disappear again. So we said this year we have to make it. So Nana, don't forget to send me the analysis from your side. And send it, you know how you do it. So let's see what's happening. So yesterday I called the markets live and price delivered very nicely to the sell side. Yeah, I deserve some flowers for that, So I have this one-sided delivery. These unfilled fair value gaps on M15. These ones can be some as targets. So I'm waiting for the next 7 minutes to see what price is going to do. The price might decide to just come and deliver to the sell side without even retracing. But if you can have a M15 retracement and then sell, So so lately you've mastered sour Swahili stuff. So coming back to NASDAQ, possibly. Let me check what NASDAQ has to offer today. I think yesterday it played out nicely according to my analysis. I think it even went lower and lower, as you can see. Yes, I think NASDAQ went aggressively to the sell side and filled these one-sided delivery, which was a target. Remember, the main reason why we are selling NASDAQ yesterday is because it had taken up this buy-sell liquidity here. Buy-sell liquidity inside the fair value gap, and price aggressively went down at like 1,000 pips. This is like, yes, 767 pips. Yeah, that was a nice one. So we start analysis from the high time frame. That is how we do it every time. So from the weekly time frame, I have the previous week low has been taken out, and also the price is getting support from this week. So 0.5 of this week, you see we have 0.5 of this week. So I think I also should look at monthly because there was a bit of some consolidation. 1 month, we are getting support from the 0.5 of the monthly week. You see that? So coming to weekly time frame now, we also have 0.5 of the weekly week. That is what is supporting us. Coming to daily time frame, I think the price did not have a very clear bias. It did not sweep the previous day low. So, but we have this order block right here that is pushing prices higher. Coming to 4 hours time frame, what do we have? I think it's gonna take out these liquidities. I also should mark the previous day low first. Let me just mark this one. PDL. Yes, right there. So price should come all the way down and take out those liquidities. You can see here what is exactly happening is, yes, as much as we are getting support from 0.75 level, this one happened already. So I think this is not yesterday. So let's just look at this fair value gap right here, first of all. So this is H4 fair value gap. So let's just wait for 9:30 delivery, see if price is going to take out all these sell liquidities, and then we can possibly buy later. 15 minutes time frame. Do we have anything that can push prices higher? We had breaker maybe. We had a breaker right here and also an inversion fair value gap down here. So, but for now, let's just stick to the H4 fair value gap. See if it is going to deliver prices lower. If it is not going to do that, then that's okay. Is there any level that can push prices down unless these order blocks? So I think Nasdaq is not very clean. Let's just stick to Dow. You know the drill. You know the drill. Dow is not difficult to trade. I think Nasdaq has got a lot of wicks. Not attracted to Nasdaq. So is that so? Someone has a question maybe as we wait for the 9:30 delivery because in the next 4 minutes I said we expect two things. We expect the price to come and fill all these voids on without doing any retracement, or at in the next 4 minutes the price can come to this M15 fair value gap, do a manipulation, and then distribute to the sell side. So let's wait and see what price is going to do. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and I think January has been quite easy for me. I don't think even February is going to be difficult for me. I think it's gonna be so easy. I don't think I'm gonna have problems with markets this unless if I might have problems with my psychology, which I doubt, because currently I'm past that. So it's just about printing money. I gave you a sale yesterday that went 700 pips. Those that watching me yesterday, I think the switch I can show you. I think it's possibly in my let me see. I think it's still here. You know, I think it was a different broker that I had the thing. You know, I think it was a different broker that I had. Yeah, it was here. So you remember yesterday me marking these inversion fair value gap. Price came all the way up to 50% of the inversion. It delivered 700 pips to the sell side. That's a good move. And then you can have now the market maker buy model from the fair value gap in the discount. So we are waiting to see what prices bring. So in a few minutes before 9:30, you can see price is attempting to go to the buy side. Yes, let it do its thing. We still have these order blocks right here. So if it invalidates all this, we'll just start analysis from a new level. So we have that M15. So the 50 minutes is closing in the next 1 minute. That will be the 9:30 candle. So we have the M15 fair value gap and also have the order block right here. So you can mark this as an order block. So you can just delete the fair value gap and then mark the order block. Yes, order block. So let me just see if the order block will push the prices lower or it will just do its thing. So we have the M15 will be right there. So this one should push prices. The order block is in more premium compared to the fair value gap. So let's see what is going to happen in the next few seconds. If price is going to distribute up or just go higher. I am not guessing anything right now. The price will do whatever it wants. Trust me. It can just decide to go anyway. It is how it wants. You just have to follow the logic. You have to follow the logic that comes with price. In the next 12 seconds, yes. So we are saying, I really think we should sell. I'm not sure. The next 6 seconds, let's see what price will do. Maybe it will just go higher. Let's see. Yes, it looks like it's gonna go higher. Let's see. Yes, it's gone. It went higher. Yes. So that is on 50 minutes. Yeah, I think this is it. So coming back to H4, yes, the liquidity has been taken out. Okay, F15. This is buy side liquidity that has been taken out. The first was the turtle super price has delivered to the sell side, but now it looks like it still wants to, there's buy side liquidity that is being taken out right here, buy side liquidity right there. So let's see. Price might just decide to go higher and higher. And possibly, the last line of defense is the 50% of this week. If it violates the 50%, just know that you're crashing for the previous day high and the all-time highs. So let's wait for price to come to the levels that we anticipate to behave. Let's see, let's see. So these unfilled fair value gaps, just remember whenever you see these unfilled fair value gaps, this one-sided delivery, we'll use that as the target later. The price is coming to the 50%. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. So I think the price has gotten to the week. So if it doesn't sell from there, then it will not sell anymore. You're just going to target the sell side. The 50% has been, so maybe price, if it doesn't sell from that level, there's no point of it. Just hey, Haprit, how are you? It's been a long time, my guy. How are you doing, man? It's been a while. Haprit, I hope you're doing good. Man, we've been winning like crazy, man. It's been a crazy month. I think January has been great for me. I cannot complain. So I think now you're headed for the previous day high. So the 50% is there. We have the previous day high. Yeah, let's see. So I think I should mark the last line of defense for the week, the 0.75 level right there. I hope you guys are doing good. This is the last line of defense right there. So we have the week, the 50%. I think it's still have we have to wait for 950 so that you can have something. So I'll use this one as my targets if in case the price comes here and forms a setup. I guess today I have so many lines. This is fucked up. But that's okay. Okay, good to see you, bro. Good to see you. It's been a while. It's good to see you, bro. How is India? So we have that level right there, last line of defense. Price is coming there. The 50% was reached. The reason why I was trying for sale is because the price took off the high and closed inside. That means you should sell. But you don't follow that religiously. You have to have follow the narrative, maybe on H4 or the levels, or what happens at a certain macro. What has happened? What is supposed to happen? What is more likely to happen? You have to think in probabilities. That's the challenge, bro. That's the challenge. I hope you passed. So, guys, who else is locked in? We have 9 people. Someone wants to tell us if they're locked in or where they're watching us from. I hope today I can deliver for you some tips. But let's wait. This is the last line of defense right here. 50% was here. I think I believe 50% now. I don't know where these weeks are, where these lines are coming from. But this is buy side liquidity. You can delete it. And also delete order block now because it's quite irrelevant. Yes, it's quite irrelevant. Last line of defense is about to get violated, but I don't think it's gonna sell because I don't think it's gonna sell. It's coming for the all-time highs. Yesterday we missed the all-time highs by an inch, and possibly today we're coming back there. We might take the all-time highs. And you remember, once all-time highs is taken out, it doesn't mean that you obviously sell because it could be break of structure. Break of structure. The price takes out the all-time highs and then does a little bit of retracement and then continues to buy. But let's wait and see. Once the macro is here. So who else is watching? And how has been your holidays? Oh, the holidays are over. Yes, we're in the month of love. You should make money and celebrate love with those you care about. Right. I don't know where I got the motivation to do the streams all of a sudden. So can I get maybe some 10 likes? Because there are 10 people watching me right now. Can I get some likes? Anybody somewhere who wants to get me some likes? So this is a price reversed yesterday. On 50 minutes, there's nothing. On let's see. Yes, this is where the price reversed yesterday. This is the buy sell liquidity that was generated yesterday inside the setup. So yeah, let me just mark it. Buy sell liquidity. So if this the price is not a must price to take out the previous day high, it can just take out the first people to sell yesterday and and then start selling. That's what I'm telling you. You have to follow logic. This is the first people to buy yesterday, sell yesterday. The price has rated them and gotten to almost the previous day high, but it has not taken out the previous day high. So I think a breaker is currently forming. Let's wait and see what's going to happen. But it would have been better if the price took out the previous day high first. So that would make a little bit more sense compared to selling because of, you know, let's just mark this order block and then use it as a breaker. Uh, so there's liquidity that was taken out here. Once the breaker is formed, we can look for a little bit of shots. Remember, we have news, but I'm saying it is best to sell if price takes out the previous day high. You see this liquidity level, but this one right here, this is the first person to sell from yesterday's setup. That's the only person that has been tattoo sold. So if the price closes below here, this one is going to be a breaker. But in the meantime, this is an OB. I think what the price and this is the simplest thing I've ever seen, man. Yoshi Kakamega, good to see you, bro. Tony, I think Tony has been a loyal follower for quite some time. So this year, maybe if I don't continue streaming right now or this month, maybe in the month of June, I'll come back to stream. But once in a while, maybe I could do that. But I think the only thing that I do is just share analysis with friends via WhatsApp. Because doing a live stream is not easy. Sometimes you get good setups, you end up sharing them and then not taking them. So it can be very messed up. So I'm saying I have some targets here, which are these and fair value gaps right here. So unfortunately, you will have a break in the next few seconds. That is in the next. So the breaker will be this, but I don't trust it. I won't tell you I don't trust it. But there's a liquidity that has been taken out. Breaker right there. So how you do it? That would be the first attempt. If 950 finds us, let's see. Let's see. Let's see how this goes. Remember, you have news at 10. So yeah, if this breaker was inside the macro, it would be high probability, but it's not inside the macro. So but inside the macro, this is how we do it. We just sell 50%, put the stop loss around here, and then sell. But the macro is not yet here, so the trend is low probability, as they like to put it. So I don't think it's gonna sell anyway. I don't think it's gonna sell, but that's how we do it. So for Nasdaq, let me check what Nasdaq is doing. But Nasdaq, oh, it's so messed up. I think it failed to take out the lows, as you can see. On 15 minutes, the price just, yes, there's a strong aggressive momentum from this order block right here. It pushed prices lower, as you can see at 930. And as much as this inversion fair value gap is created, we don't have a logic behind it because there's no significant liquidity that has been taken out. That's what I'm saying, that we need to wait at least for this loss to be taken out so that you can actually buy. But this, if it comes back here, it means that the cycle of internal range to external range is not yet full because this is a fair value gap alone. So the cycle is not yet full. And also we have these other blocks right here pushing prices lower. So I think 930 delivered to the sell side. What we were expecting with the US30, but it didn't happen. So I'm saying if this breaker was inside our 950 macro and we had taken out the previous day high, this breaker would be high probability. But when it has not done that, I don't think it's a good design. So we have to for it. We can have something solid. You know, something solid. Let's wait for 950. So, okay. Again, about 950, we have to wait for what else? What else? We have to wait for the right liquidity to be taken up. Something like the previous day high or the all-time highs. It's not that you just follow your plan. Um, so we're gonna make a lot of money, and I can see KRA is on our ass, man. Any deposit that you make on the bank, these people want that money. These people want that money. So you brace yourselves because you're gonna make a lot of money. Then it's gonna be so tricky because you have to prove where you're getting money from. I just saw that in the news. So let's see. So this breaker will definitely fail because it has not taken out the most significant level of liquidity. Even on 50 minutes, I don't think you feel it. There's nothing here. So you have to wait for price to materialize. So as long as price has not taken out that high, we cannot say that the sale is invalid. So wait. If price takes out the previous day high, we might stand a chance to sell. Previous day high. This is the most significant liquidity level, and then we have the ATH all-time high. So these will be the most significant levels of liquidity, so that you can consider a sell. This one is just it's outside macro, and the only liquidity level that was taken out is the first people to sell from yesterday's setup. That's the only thing I can see. So wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait and see. Let's wait. Let's wait and see. So, are you new to who is new on this live stream? Who hasn't seen how we do it? Have you subscribed to this channel? Trust me, this channel is what you need to become profitable. You need a lot of information. Yeah, and if you if you abide by the rules that we make, so let's wait. Let's wait. We still have this breaker. As long as price has not violated this high, the sell is still valid. As long as price has not violated here. So wait. So remember we have news at 10. Just remember that we have news at 10. So with news at 10, it means the N50 is always low probability. I think you know that very well. So I think price is gonna take out now all these levels. On 50 minutes key level was closed. We have a new fair value gap being created down here. So this once this kind of closes, we're going to have a fair value gap here because this is on 50 minutes key level now. And then you can have a retracement inside and then you can target the highs again. So that's what I'm saying. You might take out the all-time highs and then come fill this fair value gap and then continue higher. So let's wait. Let's wait and see. Price is just doing its thing. In the next 3 minutes, we expect the price to deliver to the buy side up to here. Yes, we have a breaker, but the breaker is low probability because there's no time factor. There's no time. And this was not a very significant level of liquidity. It was just a level of liquidity, that's all. Not significant. Yes. So let me check NASDAQ. But once you hit like 200 pips every day, you should be good. As I've said, these fair value gap will push prices lower. That's what exactly is happening. So you see the prices coming for the highs, for the highs. So let's just wait. Yes, we are taking out the highs right now. You're going for the highs, and then we can short maybe at 950. So this is the high buy sell liquidity has been taken out. Then yeah, why have I not looked for this continuation? It's simple. Yesterday's candle did not give me buying vibes. That's why I did not look for that continuation. But if I had to look for continuation, in any case, I would like to buy from this fair value cap because it's a premium fair value cap, and then I have other unfilled fair value caps down here. That's the main reason why. There are times when I just take out, I just trade with the high, trade to the high. Yeah. Now you're taking out the previous day high. It's about to be taken out. Previous day high, and then the all-time highs, which is almost significant. Let's see. So we are targeting the all-time highs, the previous day high. So now I think I should mark this fair value gap now. It is currently an inversion fair value gap. The price might come back here and then hit the highs. Let's see how that's work out. Remember, a 15 minute skill level is forming down here. Once this candle closes in the next 50 minutes, we'll have a candle forming. There's a fair value gap that will be created here. We can use it as a target or we can wait for price to come back here and then we target the highs again. So yeah, I've marked that inversion fair value gap. Let's see if it will push right. I agree. What? Let's see. Let's see. Let's see if this one will push prices higher or it will do its thing. I don't know. So even if it sells, I cannot say anything because I cannot try to sell right now because the 0.75 reached and violated. So I think this here, I don't know. I don't know. Let me just wait and see. Just wait and see. I think price is coming for this. liquidity down here. Then this will be a one-sided delivery. Let us see. I'm not. I don't look at it as a break. Wait, 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 wait.
Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money. I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for lifetime.
So actually, what you can see right there is price just delivering to the sell side. This is a one-sided delivery, and whenever you see this, just know the price will come back to the top. You see this one-sided delivery. This is a liquidity void. So that's why you know that these are low probability conditions. Whenever price does this, yes, it might be a breaker forming, but now it's tricky. So the only thing we have here is this minute 5 fair value gap right here. But you also have another one in discount, which is coupled to a 50 minutes breaker. But let's wait and see. Let's just wait and see. Let's hold up. This is a void. This is a void that I've marked. When price forms a breaker with a lot of aggression like this, a one-sided delivery. This one is, I consider this as a trap most times. So I said my most ideal sell would come from maybe after price takes out the previous day high, which might not happen or might happen. I don't care. I just follow whatever price will do. Yeah. So let's hold up. Let's wait. Let's hold up. I'll come back to the mic whenever I see something significant.
Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get close and feel my warmth. No to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortune, we can play like a dummy. Say the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way to do it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. Juanita King, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado time nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado time nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money. I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your clothes and feel my warmth. No to the phone.
So apparently price has filled the voids that I wanted to target, which is okay. I was targeting this one-sided delivery, which price has come to fill, and it has also reached a 50 minutes breakup, and also it's about to tap into an inversion also. So why wouldn't I sell? Yes, the first sell would not make it because the breaker was outside the macro. The second breaker was inside the macro, but there was no retracement inside the breaker. So then the significant liquidity that was taken out is the first people to sell from yesterday's setup. You see, that would be the only level. So you can see price delivering aggressively to the sell side to this key level. On 4 hours, is there another level that you can see? There's nothing, man. I think after all, the price might come all the way down up to here, but let's wait and see. According to my daily candle, I wouldn't know. I wouldn't buy at the time. According to my daily candle analysis, because it closed as a bearish candle, I wouldn't consider the sell as much as the liquidity was taken out. Yes, you see the first one, the breaker formed, and then there was a strong stop hunt happening right here, and then price just decides to come and fill the targets that you wanted to fill. So let's just wait and see. The markets will always be here, they're never in a hurry. So then I think we won't create a fair value gap here because the candle has rushed to the sell side and has filled this void. This is an inversion fair value gap. This is more like a balanced price range actually. PPR, I don't know if it's gonna support prices higher or lower, but we wait and see. You can see it's aggressively going to the sell side. I think I won't get a trade today because I can see a lot of low probability conditions. Oh, the news, yes, the news. I told you. See for yourself. The breaker is a trap. The inversion was a trap. The inversion fair value gap has pushed prices lower, and the liquidity has been taken out. That is on NASDAQ. The previous day low has been taken out, and also these liquidities down here. I think I can mark them. So this is a complete cycle of internal range to external range liquidity, as you can see. That's a complete cycle. But now the problem is on 4 hours, this candle has closed with a very strong body. So let's wait.
The door, give me fortune, now we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, yeah. Baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, yeah. Can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, yeah. Baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, yeah. Can give you love I have for a lifetime. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. So get close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, make a play like a dog. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. Not through the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, we can play like a dummy. Say, the way that you whine it, girl. I can't believe how I'm black, girl. Come on, in mood, don't you mind it? You love me, no way did you want it, baby. Baby, give me love for tonight. You got me tripping every night, me stay for the night. Walking a good summer love. It takes over me, my soul and my mind. I feel like I need a king, baby girl. I wanna give you love, it feels so right. And in the meantime, you hold my heart. Just don't forget who you are. Nobody, yeah. Baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, yeah. Can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nitangangana, na kama bado tai nitakazana, yeah, yeah. Nitapambana, na kama bado tai nitapull over, yeah, yeah. Just hold me tight, I move you right. Nita feel so nice. Move your body, nikona money I will spend on you. Find it a fight, kama kuna msana waste time. Take off your clothes, let's do it for the love. Song get your close and feel my warmth. Not to the phone, come walk to the door. Give me fortuna, we can play like a dummy. Say, nobody, yeah. Baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, yeah. Can give you love I have for a lifetime. Nobody, baby, let me turn the lights off. Nobody, can give you love I have for a lifetime.
All right, so you can see on NASDAQ, the internal range to external range cycle has come to an end because we fill a fair value gap and then target the lows, which is actually successful. I don't know if price is going to buy from here. We have an inversion fair value gap with NASDAQ. I'm not quite sure because I'm not sure because NASDAQ is not really my pair. But if I was to look at it because price has taken out that low, I'd look at long position from here, possibly. But I doubt a lot because it doesn't look too good. Let me just put this one here and then I'll come back later after a couple of hours and then I see what will have happened. Because this looks like you're still in the macro. So let's see how that one will go. Come back to US30. Black bull. So what is US30 doing? Yeah, I think US30 also has taken out all those liquidities. I don't see how I can buy from here. On 4 hours, is there anything? Nothing. Okay, the only thing on 4 hours that I can actually see, let me mark for you. What do you call this fair value gap that failed? These are reclaimed fair value gap. This is actually a reclaimed fair value gap. You see, this fair value gap should potentially push prices up because I think it's a reclaimed one. This is the liquidity inside it. So if you should buy, it's probably from here. I doubt a lot. I doubt. I don't know. So then from here we have this inversion that has been filled, and then target the highs. I don't know. Today doesn't seem like a very good day to me. It doesn't look too clean. It doesn't look too clean. That's what I'm trying to say. Then you can target the highs now. So let's wait and see what price is willing to do. So I've just marked the reclaimed fair value gap, and I was anticipating for price to do something there, even on NASDAQ. If they fail, that's okay. I'll come back another day. So you see, US30 is delivered. It's delivering very well from that level. So that is 100 and something pips. Come on. And someone give me a medal. Deserve a crown for this. This is beautiful. Please, NASDAQ. Look at NASDAQ. Look at that. Who didn't like that? Oh my god, hata nasikia kucheka. This is so easy, man. These are 100 points. Just from here to here, like 150 pips, man. Look at that. This is beautiful. Can someone say Dracaris? Someone there in the comment section, man. That's a delivery of 150 pips, man. I did not come to play. I'm in the business of making some fucking money, bro. I trade like this thing owes me rent money, you know? Like I didn't come to play. Yeah? Look at that, guys, man. Oh, what do you call me? What do you take me for? Unanita, man. I'm the baddest, man. Tony, kwanza kuja mentorship, nikule pesa yako pia. Unasemaje? Kuja nikufunze hii mambo ama uko fiti? Kuja class bana. This is a clean 100 and 200 pips, man. Oga is my friend from Ghana right there. I think this price action was very easy. Yeah, man. You see, Nana. I told you, bro, we're gonna kill this thing, man. Like, this is the easiest thing to do, man. Nikupe namba, niambie kama unataka namba nikupatie uweke pesa hapo tuanze class. Ama kama uko fiti ni sawa. Ule kuja na mkombero na pombe na muratina na kila kitu. Kama unataka kujua huwa tunafanya na huyu jamani tuonana WhatsApp most. I finished the mentorships but we still try something. That's how you catch 200 pips. It's so easy, man. So ukitaka pesa umebakisha. Lakini kitu rahisi bana. Alafu jamaa fulani hapa aitwa Morea ananiambia ati mimi na sell. Na sell nini? Na sell nani? Who am I even selling? NASDAQ is not doing very well, but it has delivered something at least. So I think this is how we do it. Wewe Tony kuja bana tuone ni aje tutakosana. Ukitaka sababu si kila wakati mimi nakuja hapa kufanya nini sometimes. So easy man. So NASDAQ is still trying to go high as you can see. Also it's not very clean but it is what it is, man. US30 yet and I'm done with Dow already. So the main reason I was buying US30 is because of the void. What do you call it? The H4. I don't know how to call it. It's got a H4 reclaimed key level. So that's the main reason. So that's it. So easy to do these things. Okay, guys, I think maybe I'll just end the stream. Those that wanted to sell, this was a breaker as well, but I wouldn't sell. My bus was bullish because it was inside my macro. 200 points, clean, zero drawdown. You know, I should be working in the army as a sniper because I'm sniping. I'm a real sniper. Means sniper. I'm a sniper, man. Nana, text me on WhatsApp. And then you do as you always do. So I think today has been quite easy. So let's meet another time. Thank you so much.